I actually am going to give you a code. Ooh, we're so cool. Ow, I can't get this in my ear. I can't find this hole. Oh my god, I'm sweating. What is up, penguins? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Peng Lee, hence penguins if you don't already know. In today's video, we are going to talk about thumbnails. Yes, the thing, that picture that shows up on your Instagram,
Facebook, YouTube profile.
I've been needing a new thumbnail picture because mine is old. It's from 2 years ago. It showed me as an athlete, and now I have grown on and moved past athletics. We're still keeping some athletics in there, but we definitely need an update on a new thumbnail. So that is exactly what we're going to do, and we are going to take it step by step on how to make a great thumbnail picture. If you like this video, press the like button, comment below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of the penguin family. And so we are going to, today, go over step by step how to make a thumbnail. And if I get my steps wrong, I'm sorry. We make mistakes. We're humans. Step 1, do your makeup. Do your makeup. Step 1, I don't know what step 1 is. Step 1, pick your outfits. Pick your favorite outfit, the vibe that you're kind of going for in your profile picture, on your Instagram, on your YouTube. What is your brand? I've been really trying to make my brand more
Fun and upbeat, so
I've been wanting more colorful things, which is why I've decided to add pinks and purples and pick up the jewelry that you want to go with the outfits. I have pre-selected some jewelries that I like so that I can add it to my clothing. Cute shirt, jeans, and jacket. Yes. Okay, I have my first outfit on, and I'm so excited because I got these jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I want to share it with you guys because I really want it to go with my outfits and use it in my thumbnail pictures, so I'm excited. It comes in this cute box, and I got 2 pieces. Opening things and vlogging with one hand is not it. It's really hard. They come with a little cleaner. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Oh my god, I love them. They're so cute. Yes. And the other one. Cute. Cute! So the reason why I like this jewelry, I normally buy a lot of costume jewelry, and I've been recently stepping up my game because I've been wanting to spend a little more money on better quality so that it doesn't rust. Who has this problem when they buy like a $5 ring and then the next day it's like orange? So I'm trying to avoid that problem. I guess fun fact, which I didn't know, apparently it takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce 1 gold ring. So this brand actually uses 100% recycled gold. So cute! I always wear hoops, guys, so this is so different for me because I always wear hoops. So I'm really excited to change it up for my thumbnail picture. I'm only gonna go with the big earrings with this outfit because I don't want to overcompensate anything, but I am going to put on my Kate Spade bracelet that I got for Christmas 2 years ago, and it's just light pink. I'm trying to go with a lot of fun, bright colors for my thumbnail. So this is my first outfit. It's just simple. I wanted to go with a plain color. Got my earrings on. This dress is Fashion Nova. Okay, second outfit. If you guys like this jewelry and you like their website, I actually am going to give you a code.
we're so cool.
You guys can use my code PENG10 for $10 off because, you know, guys, we are perfect 10s. In the penguin world, everyone is a perfect 10. So PENG10 for $10 off of this jewelry so you can take a cute thumbnail picture as well. I got my second outfit on. This one's a little more sporty, which I actually might probably use for my thumbnail because I wanted a little more sportier vibe. But I love this jacket, and I have my new necklace on that I really like, and I just thought it added a little bit of elegance to it. So this is the second outfit. I really like this because it has a little bit of color on the side, but I really think this will be super cute for a thumbnail picture. But I also added these earrings. These earrings I got from Nordstrom's. I think around $25 because I got them on sale. Sale section is my favorite because I love a good deal, but I wanted to put it a little more plain so that it can also showcase the necklace as well. All right, next and final one. Okay, so this is probably the most peng outfit you could think of because I have my hoops and I have a lace shirt on, and I love the color white. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it because I don't know if this is the vibe I'm going for my thumbnail, but we're gonna see. So this is an outfit that I also love. There are no pockets. There's no pockets in here. Step 2, I would say do your makeup and hair because then you can figure out which kind of makeup and hair you want to do. I think it just makes me look better, so I don't know, I just like waves. So I love having my hair curly, so I went with the curly look. Wow, so I started my hair process and I was talking to the camera and it wasn't even on. It didn't even record. That's where I'm at right now. But we started the process. Oh my gosh, my roommate probably thinks I'm crazy. I heard that. Ew.
I forgot you were here.
You forgot I was here. Ow. Oh my god, Kenny. I do want to add double buns somewhere in this photo shoot because I do want to keep my double bun look. I do like the double buns. Pick a hairstyle that you think is very unique to you or something that makes you feel beautiful. Basically in the thumbnail you just want to feel beautiful because it is trying to put your best picture out there. Okay, we get the idea. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh my god. There, like that. That'd be cute. Next for your thumbnail, you do want to decide if you want to do it outside or inside or what kind of vibe also you're going for. Some people have drawings as their thumbnails. I like having the picture just because then you get to see my face. I actually decided to hire somebody because we are professional over here on this YouTube channel. I decided to hire this lady named Sharon de la O Photography. She does great pictures. She did Kayla Nohachi's pictures. She also does Sam Pejik's pictures. So I met her at Bean Queen Bootcamp. Her pictures are gorgeous. So I'm really hoping she can give me that aesthetic that I really want in my thumbnail. So that is what I'm doing with her. We've picked a location in Long Beach. So I'm going to drive all the way to Long Beach and do that. Let's go over these steps again. Step 1, pick your outfits. Step 2, do your makeup. Step 3, do your hair. Step 4, try on your outfits, make sure you like them. So you can start anywhere. It's really not a step-by-step process. If you really ask me about how I did this, I got ready in about half an hour. So I'm gonna pack all my jewelry into my box so I can carry it with me and go see my friend to do the photo shoot. So the photo shoot process has begun and I'm here with Sharon. Hi. Hello. And her daughter. Hello. So we are going to do some photo shoots and it's gonna be super fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready.
Oh, there we go. Hey guys, just waiting for Pink to change.
I know what I'm doing.
That was so much fun. I had so much fun during that photo shoot. I hope you guys had a little more of an inside scoop on how you want to do your thumbnails. You can pick a person to do your thumbnail. You can also just do it on your phone. A lot of people just do it on their phone and pick the best pictures, but lighting is key. So I always say try and get the sunlight, the natural sunlight. But if you want to be in a studio as well, then book some studio time. It can even be a thumbnail picture for your resume or anything that you want. So these are great profile pictures. So exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Penguins, we'll see you next time.